Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to another video. So today is 27th of October and we are going to start our live trade session right now. So we have 10 people in. I hope you all are ready. If there's something wrong, just type in the chat box. I will reply immediately. For all the people who are not here, who are reviewing this video on YouTube, have fun and let's get that money. So let's open TradingView. So my TradingView account is right here, put it on our right screen. We open our broker. So we go to the short term, 60 seconds and Forex. Yep, guys, we are all set. So is everyone ready? Okay, good to see that. So guys, let's see what we can do today. So yesterday we started at 12:50. We had to end it early, but today we have enough time to trade, and let's see if we can get that 1500 for today. So yeah, let's see what is going on today. So I'm seeing quite some possibilities right now, but also some recoveries. So let's see what euro US dollar is going to do. Let's prepare a trade for euro US dollar. High 25. Let's see what's going to happen, because we'll just wait with it, guys, because it's not breaking support right now. So let's just wait. Support lines are kind of strong, but now it is trying to break the support line. So okay, so be ready to buy this trade. Yeah, be ready to buy this trade, guys, because I think that it's going to break support line heavy. So let's see what it does in the next minute candle. It's now at 30 seconds, and I also see that the US dollar Swiss franc is breaking resistance. It's coming near resistance right now. Let's see. So this is quite, I don't know, I'm not so sure about this trade, to be honest. Let's see, it's trying to recover already. So I'm not quite sure, but yeah, okay guys, just buy it right now. And let's see what happens. So let's see, Euro USD, high. Let's double up that trade, make it 60 if you started with 25. And if you started with €5, just make it like around 12 euros or 10 euros. And let's see what's going to happen right now. So we're 6 pips out of the money, and it's trying to recover and not. So I don't know if there's any news outlets, but I did check and there was nothing. So let's see, it's trying to recover right now. 31, 34. So just be prepared, guys, to take this trade for whatever may happen, because this is, I think this is going to be, this is a very bad trade, I think, because it keeps on hitting it. Okay guys, just buy it right now. Okay, I bought it. Wow, covered up quickly. So we broke even on the first trade and we received our money back. So I've put a trade of €60, and let's see what happens. So let me see, because let's prepare another trade in case anything happens, because I don't see any movement anyway. Let's make that 130, and for everyone who started with €5, your next trade is around €25 right now. So try to take that trade, and let's see what our open trade will do. 80 seconds left. 37, so it's quite in the money, as you can see. So yeah, it's quite good on recovering right now. Okay, so I think we have this trade. Yeah, we have it. So GBP US dollar, also some possibilities right now. €25. I think it's going to go a little bit more up, and in the next minute it will go down, according to my analysis. Let's see. Oh, by the way, the Australian dollar and US dollar is also doing things, but this baby wants to go down. I'm seeing that he's hitting support and resistance level, and I think that it will go down anytime soon. Let's see. So for now, it's quite stable. Let's see what it does. So let's forget about this trade. Let's go to the Australian dollar, US dollar, because that one is breaking all levels. Prepare this trade, guys, and go. And let's see what happens. So we go back to that trade, Australian dollar, US dollar, and we prepare a double up trade. Low, because it went up very fast. So let's see what happens. So it's going up very good, not for us. So let's see what we can do. So it broke the minor support level, but according to it broke the minor resistance level, but according to my analysis, it should go down right now. So let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, it's going down now already. So we're now breaking even, 35, 44. Okay, so it's going up again. So prepare to trade, guys, and go. And let's see what happens. So we lost that trade. We lost our previous trade, so it went out of the money last second because it broke even. And let's see, it's really the last second, I think. Yeah, you see, guys, like over here, 47, went out of the money. So Australian dollar, US dollar, prepare another trade because it has to go down. 130. Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's see what's going to happen. I think that we should win this one because it broke the resistance level and it should go back right now. So let's see what's happening. So I have 13 more seconds. 29 seconds left. It's breaking even. So guys, prepare this trade, please, and take it. Take it. Let's see what happened. Okay, so we won our trade. We won our double up trade, but we also took the trade because 24 option was a little bit slow. So let's see what happens. I hope we win this trade because I don't want to double up anymore. Level 4 of martingale is actually my max level I do. So let's see what happens right now. This is already our third double up, so I don't want to double up anymore. Let's see, guys. So like I said, it broke the resistance quite some times, and it went back, so it's going up right now again. Let's see what it's going to do, because this one is, wow, this bad boy is quite stable. Australian dollar, US dollar, let's prepare a double up trade. So 270 and buy it right now. Let's see what's going to happen, because it's not doing the things we want it to do, and that is not good. It's still going up, so basically that's not a good entry. That is not good. So level 4 martingale already. You know, I don't want to go higher than level 4 for now. And let me see what's going to happen. So I hope we win this one, because according to my chart it should go down, but these markets, you know, I never know what happens with these markets. So Australian dollar, US dollar, last trade is 550. Buy it. So let's see what happens right now. So guys, this is actually level 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, this is level 5. So please keep in mind, I never do this. For you guys, it should be on, let's see, level 5 for you guys is 5, 12, 25, around let's wait, what's going on, man? This market, really? For you guys it should be, let's see, level of 1 is level 2 is 12, level 3 is 20, level 4 is 50. So you guys should be at 120 euros approximately right now. So we won that trade. This is not good. This is the first time happening for me that I have to go to level 5. So we got the trade, guys. So I'm gonna leave the Australian dollar US dollar alone right now because this is not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, level 5. This is the first time I have to go to level 5. So I'm happy to show that to you guys because we're still in profit with 40 euros. But you see, this is just what happens. This is just what happens if you, well, if you don't use martingale. You would have ended right here. But this is what happens if you follow our analysis. That you, in the end, you'll always be in profit. But to be honest, I'm not so happy with this level 5. So I'm going to take out the document of martingale one more time to show it to you. So I'm going to just pause this video for 1 second. So I'll be back with you with 1 second, guys. Just a second. So I'm back again, and I have the martingale document right here. So for you guys, if you started with 5 euros, you would have gotten into 150 euro invest right now. And yeah, that's what happened. So remember this strategy: if you lose a trade, just double up, and then if you lose that one, you double up again. So just keep this in mind, and it should be around 2.5 by now because we have adjusted this. And yeah, let's see what trades are coming up right now. Let's see, because there is a slight trend going on with the US dollar and Swiss franc, and the euro US dollar also has quite some possibilities for a trade of 25 euros, and it's trying to recover right now. So it's already recovering, by the way. So you have to take a look about what's going to happen more. So it's going down, it's breaking resistance right now, and it should be time to buy it at 890, I think, approximately. So guys, prepare this trade because we're going in any second. And yeah, let's see what's going on. So it broke resistance right now. It broke the resistance, and it's okay. So it's going down once again. It's breaking resistance. Something's going on. So go with this trade right now, guys. Place it. Euro USD. So it should recover from the resistance, but if it doesn't, just double up this trade. But I think that it should quite recover right now, and if it doesn't, we're ready. Also for the euro and Japanese yen, there are quite some trading possibilities. It broke resistance also, so let's keep that in mind. 39. So we have to win this trade because before we go to another trade. So US dollar Swiss franc is going down right now. Broke the resistance, and let's see. So we're quite in the money for this trade. So let's go to another trade. Euro Japanese yen, higher, 25 euro, and just place the trade when you're ready. Let's see what happens. Also US dollar Swiss franc. So you know what? Let's just keep it for one trade right now and see what happens. But the US dollar and Swiss franc is going to go down. Here it is. Yeah, you see it was at 50 and went down already. So if you got an in on that trade, that is good. And for now, we're waiting for the euro Japanese yen to recover. So that's quite a good recovery. It's already 30 pips in the money, and we can go to another trade. Let's see. So I don't know. What are we going to do? So the US dollar, Swiss franc is already recovering. I don't see any possibilities anymore for that trade, but I do see a possibility for the Japanese GBP, Japanese yen, pound. Not quite yet, but it is near the resistance level. So let's see what's going to happen. So we won our previous trade. We were already almost 100 euro in the money. And let's see what's going to happen. So my favorite pair is quite going up. It's quite breaking. Oh my god, I'm too late putting the trade, right? Let's see if it can go up again so we can buy it. We should have just bought it immediately, but it spiked down so hard, didn't even have time to. Okay, don't place the trade, guys, because I'm expecting it to go down, but it spiked down already, so I don't know how much more it will go. So yeah, it's going down. It's going more down. So it's quite important if you have charts on, like take a look at the RSI, put it on 5, and just take a look at it, what's happening, and also take a look at the Bollinger Bands, if there are possible outbreaks. Because if you see these things, then it's good to analyze that market. Put on your indicators, just check the support and resistance levels, or what's happening there. So yeah, you can use these two indicators as an alarm to see what the next possibility will be. And yeah, so currently there is nothing. And the USD. I have to tell you that the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar is one of my favorite pairs, and I've made a lot of money with it in the past, and it never lets me down. So it did, by the way, right now. If we have put that trade up, I think we would have. Oh no, we would have won it. No, we would have won it if we have put that trade up. So once again, it didn't disappoint me, but I was just too late putting the trade up. So guys, let's see what's going to happen. So we have to surpass that 1500 right now. To adding 10% to our account again. So we've almost achieved that. So let's see what we can do today for a trading session. Yeah, so no trades right now, but I do see the GBP and Japanese yen going up very hard, breaking resistance already. Oh, it spiked down already. So basically, that's not good. So as you can see, there are quite some possibilities coming up and going again. So you always have to take a good look at it. But you know that the Japanese yen, I think it's having a trend up. Yeah, it's having a trend right now. There's an uptrend for the GBP and Japanese yen. So possibly if you would put a 5-minute trade right now, that could end well. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. So it is near the resistance level. So I'm seeing that on my chart that the GBP and the Japanese yen is at the resistance level, but it's going quite down already. So I don't know what's going on with the trend. We have to check that out. But let's see for other trades what's going to happen. you can see that there are quite some people out there promising you like 10 or 20 signals a day, or actually more. I've even seen people who offer more than 50 signals a day, but like having good signals and not like these in turbo sessions, like the 60 seconds trade, it's quite hard to get that on a day. Because if you have a good strategy, like let's say you have 4 indicators you're using, which are quite good indicators for 90% in the money strategy. If you use the RSI and the trend and the Bollinger Bands and the volatility indicators, if you have these four, you can get a 90% in the money strategy. But you really have to study these four strategies before you go with it. So a trend is mostly created when you have 3 or 4 more candles same direction. The RSE, you know it with the 70 and the 30 level. So try adjusting the RSI as how you want to adjust it. And I say that because normally it's always on 14, but you can put it on like 5, for example, as I have, and you can put it on 80 and 20, have it more extreme instead of 70 and 30. So this one is going down, but I'm quite afraid to go with it. It broke support, but we had some bad luck with it in the beginning, so let's see what's going on anymore. So quite some secure pairs on the market right now. Not so many trades we can make. Also for the GBP and Japanese yen, it's still going up. So like I said, if you had put a 5-minute trade, you would have won it already, I think. Yeah, you would have won it already. So the Japanese GBP and Japanese yen broke the current resistance line. And I think for now that we can place a trade low. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen, because it broke the resistance, and I'm quite sure that it's going to go down a bit before it goes up more. So let's see, it's 20 pips in the money right now, which is quite okay, but we need it to be more. And actually, like I thought that the GBP and Japanese yen is having a trend up, so don't know if this was a good idea, but you know, let's just see what's going to happen. So 12 seconds left, 8 seconds. Let's cross fingers for this one. It's quite. So we won it. Yeah. So we won that trade. You should be very lucky, because we are very lucky, because if you look at it right now, it already went up again. So if we would have waited 1 more second, we would have really lost that trade. So thank God we won it. Okay, so the US dollar, Canadian dollar is also breaking its resistance level. And let's see what is up. So I'm gonna place the trade right now, because it's at a good level. So it spiked up again, and let's see what happens in the next candle, because we placed it a little bit early, but you know, we needed a good price. So I'm quite sure that it has to go down within like maximum 2 minutes. The US dollar, Canadian dollar, but let's prepare another trade. 60, you guys also prepare the trades for 12 euros. 12.5 or 13, whatever you want. And yeah, let's see what's going on, because it is breaking resistance as crazy. And guys, just place the trade now to have it on a good price. So every time we place a trade, it goes up again. It's like we're having any influence on the market. So that's not good to see. But let's see what's going on. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's see. A low 130. So for you guys, it's 30 euros right now. So we're currently in the money, out of the money again, out of the money. So it's trying to create a new support level over there. So this is the time when you say like resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance. But we have a possibility to win this trade, because according to my analysis it should go down right now. But if we don't win it, we just double it up. We have a couple of seconds left, and yeah, let's see what. Okay, place it. So we have, this is the third one. There's a level 3 already. So you know, I hate using this strategy, but you know, sometimes you just have to just cover up losses and just to keep on trading, you know. So let's see what's going on. By the way, let me zoom out of this chart. I'm afraid we're in an uptrend right now. Well, yeah, it's trending up, so should have zoomed out of it from the beginning. My mistake, guys. I hope we get it right now. And it's, wow. This really sucks. This really sucks. US dollar, Canadian dollar, prepare for another trade. 270, buy it. Oh my god, this is not good. This is a very bad session for today. Today we had a very bad session. Yeah. Okay, so US dollar, Canadian dollar, gonna go low again. 550, it spiked up as hell. And probably, so if we get 2 times level 5 martingale in this trading session, I'm calling it a day, because that is not good. So let's see, it's finding resistance right now. The candle is finding resistance right now, and we will place the trade right now. Okay, guys, so this is the worst trading session I can imagine, because we martingale 2 times already, and if we martingale level 5 2 times already, and that's not what I want you guys to see. So it should go down now, you know, it should have gone down like 2 minutes ago. So it keeps on breaking the resistance. So presumably we should have a little bit of luck right now. And you know, let's see what's going to happen. Oh god, this has to be the worst live trading webinar ever. So I've never had this, and I hope, oh my god, don't tell me it's okay. So guys, we won it. So you know, when I trade, sometimes I make mistakes. Like right now, I did the 550 euro. It should have been 600. So, you know, we're quite at the beginning again, because that's my mistake. But you guys should be in profit. Australian dollar, US dollar going up right now. But I'm gonna put higher trades, guys. Because I need to make some. I need to get some good profits for you guys. And well, I won't trade on this one, forget about it. GBP US dollar looks more secure for me, breaking a minor support line. So it should be around this right now. Yes, so we're just waiting for what's going to happen, and it's quite low right now. It's actually 40 in my trading chart, so I don't know why it's this over here. So buy it right now, and let's see what's going to happen with this one. Let's see if it can recover. And I have to tell you guys, this is the worst trading day ever for me. Like I've never experienced this 2 times martingale level 5. Normally I get to level 5 like once a month, so we got it now twice a day. So that's very bad. I think that the markets are against us for today. So let's just see what's going to happen with this trade. This is really bad, like US dollar and Australian dollar today. They really messed up, so I'm sorry you see the red things. Normally we don't have this, but you know, I'm just trying to be as transparent and integer as I can be by showing you what we do every day. Euro, Japanese yen. Damn, I didn't take it, but no worries. Yeah, we won that trade, so thank God. And it is at our balance is right 1400 right now, right? Yeah, 1413 euros. Yeah. Oh my God, this is just this is the worst day ever. So I hope we can make it to 1500, and let's see what's going to happen. So yeah, everyone is gone at the office, so I'm the only one left making this live webinar with you guys. But next time my colleague will do the trading webinar. He uses quite a different strategy with small times trades, like half-minute trades instead of the 60 seconds. Very quite secure. So he, like for the past weeks, he had like approximately 90% success rate without even martingaling. So that's very good. So Dwight will take over next time. But for now, let's see if we can surpass the 1500, because that is what we want to do. There's a lot of movement in the market, but I also see a lot of trends. So I don't know what's going on today, but these trends have messed us up quite big. So let me see. Yeah, because really have to make. Really have to get a good profit. Let's see. So there's no quite possibilities right now. So let's see what's going to happen. So basically, you're at 20. I'm at 20 euro profit right now. So that's really bad. I just didn't apply the martingale correctly. I always tell people apply martingale. So it turns out I didn't apply it correctly. Yeah, it should have been more than 500, but you know, 715. You know, never mind. Let's see what this baby's going to do right now. So it's quite resisting the support line. It's trying to break through it. So I just wait with the trade. So the GBP and Japanese yen is still in an uptrend. So if you guys want to put a trade, like a 5-minute trade, just do it. Don't be afraid or anything. It's still going up. Just put the trade, you know, just put it. Just take it. 5 minutes. British pound, Japanese yen, and let's see. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It's quite shaky, so I don't see that much of a movement. So don't know if I should take this trade, but nah, guys, forget about it. Don't take this trade. It's probably going to go down more. Yeah. So basically, what I'm doing is quite wrong. I should go with 50 euro to make it 5% of my balance, because it's less than 5% by the way, but so yeah, let's see. So we would really play with 2% of our balance, which I hope you guys are doing. I would play with like around 30 euros, 28 I think, and you know, it's a slow process, but it is the right way. So let's see. All I'm seeing is trends right now. Yeah, guys, there's so many trends going on. You know, this is wow. We're already approximately 40 minutes in this trading webinar, and we've just made, well, I've just made 20 euros. So I'm quite embarrassed, guys. This is not the trading session I was looking for. So Apple is launching their new Mac lineup in 30 minutes. So let's go over there and check what we can do. Oh, what's going on, man? What's going on? Come on, guys. So it already went up. Quite good. It already went up, but I'll place a trade for 9 o'clock in the evening. Oh, I can't. Look, 10 o'clock. So good. And place it higher with 100 euros. Let's give this a go. Apple, you know, Apple never disappoints. So let's see what happens with that. Let's go back to our short term. Forex, let's get this money. So let's make that 1500 without the Apple trade. So we need 200 more. Let's make this money. Let's see. US dollar, Canadian dollar is starting a downtrend right now. So let's see if we can go with that trade. Just take it as low as possible, guys, and um, let's just wait for it to go down more to confirm the downgoing trend. 47.38. So yeah, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. So 35. Okay, guys. So go with this one with the downtrend, and let's see what it's going to do. US dollar, Canadian dollar. So there are a lot of people who trade with trends. I hate trends, so please don't expect me to trade with it. But you know, they are quite secure. Like just check out our YouTube channel on the trend video if it's up already, and how to trade with trends. Mm, yeah, so we're out of the money on that one. US dollar, Canadian dollar. 80 low. Take it. So it created a minor support level right now. So we're currently at the minor support level. So let's see. Yeah, it's recovering already. It's recovering. 33, 31, 32 US dollar, Canadian dollar. So this is just our bad luck. This is really our bad luck for today. Go with that trade. So we have martingale so many times today that after this last trade I will call it a day, because you know, I'm so sorry guys, this is just a bad trading day. So these days also happen, and we have to secure our account. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. Like the US dollar and Canadian dollar today just messed us up so bad. You know what? I'll just go with it right now. Just go with it. Just go with the flow. It should recover now because it's a minor support line. It should recover. We're 10 pips in the money. Let's see where it's going. Started an uptrend, by the way. Small one, but so yeah. If we're losing this one, I'm done. I'm done. I have some explaining to do tomorrow at the office because yeah, if I lose this, we have lost some money. That's not the results we had for the couple of months, and also not the result I want to show you guys. But you know, it is trading, and everything happens in trading. Like winning this trade, for example. So we won it. Our balance is at 1310 right now, I think. Yeah, so this is just bad. It's just so bad. GBP US dollar, guys, take the trade for up and just wait with taking the trade. I'm just gonna go with 50 now because really have to hurry up. We're 44 minutes already in this session, and US dollar is going down quite fast. I don't know why, but on every chart the US dollar is going down. And let's go to the New Zealand dollar and US dollar. For 50 up, it broke the support level, so let's see what will happen right now. There's something going on with the dollar, I don't know what, so I hope we just win this trade for now. So you know, this is trading. Yeah, this is trading. Everything can happen, everything, but mostly if you have a good strategy, it doesn't have to happen. I'm quite satisfied with my own strategy. I've made good money with it in the past, and you know, martingale is probably the most worst strategy out there and probably the most loved one because it always saves you from big losses. So I'm not gonna double up this trade because I think it's winning, and yeah, we probably won that one. Let's see, 85. So if we have just started with trades of €50 in the beginning, we would have surpassed that one. GBP US dollar, it just keeps going down. So what's going on, guys? The dollar is really powerful right now. Again, let's see. So that one is, damn, what's happening? Is this because of Apple? What the hell, man? I don't know. This is amazing. It just keeps going down. So it's quite dangerous trading right now because there's a downtrend on everything against the dollar. So what you're seeing right now is just live trading. It it takes patience. It takes to put your emotions aside, you know, um, and you know, no emotions, having a lot of patience, and you have to see trading as someone who's hitting you in the face from the morning till the evening, and you're just accepting that. You know, you're just saying, okay, you know, you can hit me, okay, just give me some money, you know, and yeah, that's actually the case. Just accept the guy punching you in the face from the morning till the evening and never stand up against him. Just accept this punishment, you know? And I was waiting for a recovery, so the recovery is coming right now. I didn't took the trade because I'm quite worried with the current market status because a lot of things are happening, and you know, I don't know what's going on. So it's going to recover. You know, the GBP US dollar is going to recover right now. You can take a trade. Yeah, we didn't took it, but then again, see a lot of spikes, especially with the euro and the Japanese yen. So the Japanese yen is going quite down right now. Don't know what's really going on. So yeah, nothing. No trades at all. It's all very stable. By the way, Apple went down out of the money, but I'm not even worried about that. I know for a fact that it will go up later in the evening. I just believe me, in half hour this bad boy will spike up. It's Apple. Never doubt Apple. Never. So basically, the original martingale strategies always trade double up opposite of the previous trade. So never do that, guys. Just use martingale as a cover up for your loss. Always do your analysis and don't blindly trust on putting the opposite trade. So if you guys have any question, please ask me in the chat. I know some of you might be quite upset for our results today. I am too. But look at the bright side, we're in the money now with around 50 or 60 euros profit. So if we didn't have put this trade up, but this trade is winning anyway, so that I'm not even worried about that. But you know, I'm 60 euros in the money, so we have to make 150 euro more. We have to make around 10% more of our balance to call it a day. So it might take a while, but you know, we will wait. Oh my god. Patience, guys. I know it's very hard. I know it's very, very hard. Patience. Patience is hard. GBP was dollar start an uptrend, approximately everywhere. Yeah, so the dollar is sinking on all my charts, which have the dollar in it. So something is going on. Yeah, guys, there are a lot of possibilities, but I don't want to mess up my trades. I want to be secure as possible from now on. We got to martingale 2 times right now. That never happened before. I never even came to level 1 with you guys. The first level 5 with you guys in martingale, and now it just happened twice. So I have to pick my trades very securely, because I'm afraid I will mess up, and I don't want you guys to mess up your balance. So Start doing minimum trades again, €5 trades. Even if you have €1,000 in your account, just put up the €5 trades, because the markets suck. Oh my! I don't even know if I can say that, but the markets suck hell right now. So, oh God, let's see what will happen right now. So the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So I'm really afraid of picking these US dollar things, because something's going on with dollars, going up and down all the time, and it made us lose some money and win some money also. But well, we are currently in profit, so we didn't lose any money, but it's just not a good day for that. And oh my God, come on, give me a good trade. I don't want to fit trades, I don't want to force it to fit. A trade should fit from itself, so I don't want to force it. If one indicator says to me like, yo, I'm not at the level you want me to be, I just don't do it. Like sometimes I place trades, even though one indicator says no and the rest says yes. And I just hope that is correct. But that's the problem with trading. Please don't force a trade to fit in, because uh, you will mess up, like, for real. You can be lucky 9 times, but the 10th time you won't be lucky, and that's the time you will martingale your ass off of it, because this is trading, and we have to recover our losses. So also, if you guys have noticed that this account started with €250 and we made it 1400 already, you can do this too. It's easy. Just let us know if you're interested. Just go to our website, www.tradewithben.com, apply for the 14-day free trial over here, and sign up with your first name, last name, email, and phone. Just send it to us, and check out our brokers that we have over here. So it's a bad page link. I have to fix that over here. So let's go back to trading. You see what's happening with Apple. Like I said, it's going up again. And this is Apple. You should never doubt Apple. Never. US dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm just gonna try it. Although there is a downtrend right now, I should wait. So it's trying to recover right now. US dollar, Canadian dollar. We should have taken that trade from the beginning. If we didn't martingale twice, I would have taken it. As you can see in my previous webinars, I just go with it. By the way, this is 62%. I'm just seeing that. Wow, this ain't even worth it. I'm sorry, guys. I won't even trade that one. If you have a good percentage on your broker, trade it if you want. But 24 options. Come on, guys. What's wrong with you guys? Like, everything is 70%, but only the US dollar, Canadian dollar 62%. Yeah, because there's so much movement. You know that people are making money on that asset. God. So GBP US dollar is starting an uptrend right now. Let's just keep on looking what's going to happen. Will it continue the trend, or will it go down? possibilities. This is just yeah. This is just going on. This is just going on. This keeps going up. It keeps going up. There's a trend going on. So like I always say, don't trade against the trend. Don't trade against the trend, but you can wait for it to be over because then you have quite good possibilities. If you guys want to put a 60-second trade with €5 up on GBPUSD, you can do it right now because it's in the trend, so you can go with it right now. It didn't reach resistance, but it's almost there, so I think you can take the 60 seconds trade. GBP Japanese Yen broke the resistance very hard. Let's see what it's going to do. It's going down already, right? Yeah, it already went down. We're too late with that trade. Yeah, it's going down already. But it's recovering right now. Let's see if we can go with this trade. Well, it's breaking out the Bollinger Bands, and also it is breaking resistance. So I think I'm going to go with this trade, guys. So keep this trade in mind. If I tell you to trade it with me, and let's see what will happen. Japanese Yen is going down very fast. So, okay, guys, be ready because I think I'm going to get this one because it broke resistance and it's trying to break out the bands too. 7, 6, and let's see, and take this trade. Just take it. Let's see what happens. Wow. So let's see. GBP, BBY, low 120. Let's see what is going to happen. Down with 20 pips already. So yeah, I think this trade will keep on going down. I hope. Euro Japanese Yen also quite a possibility right now. So I will go to that one. Low also with €50 and take it. Take it. Come on, guys. Let's just hope for the best right now. Let's hope for the best because it keeps going up right now. And oh god, it's in the trend, by the way. This is what happens when you're at office the whole day. You're not paying attention quite well. So it's in an uptrend right now, and most probably we're going to take it. And by the way, I see that there's some news coming up So I think we're going to win this one. Oh god, we won it, guys. We won it perfectly. So let's see what the news is. US dollar to sell 7-year notes, and over here, Euro ECB's merge speaks in Germany. So, okay. US dollar, Swiss franc. Quite a good trade coming up. Oh no, wait, it's in a downtrend. So, let's see what is going to happen. So basically, there is news coming up in 1 minute. So I think we have to end the session then, because, well, the worst thing to do is trade when there's news coming out. But I would like to say that I will take this trade as the last trade if it goes down anymore, because it's coming near its support line right now. And let's see. Okay, guys, prepare this last trade, and we can make that 100 euro, hoping for the best. It already went up a bit. Shit. Should have just taken that trade. So let's just wait now. So yeah, this is not good. He's in a downtrend. That's first thing. And the second thing is that there is news coming out right now. So it's 7 o'clock. There's news right now for the US dollar. United States to sell 7-year notes. So I think that will have a heavy impact on the market. But the GBP and Japanese yen don't have any news, and it is breaking its resistance line. So if it goes up a little bit more, we'll take that trade. Okay, take it. Oh my god, too late. Too late. Too late. We took it too late. We took it too late, guys. GBP, GPY, GPY. So, with this strategy I have, you have to take it right in time, and it's going up so hard. As you can see, it's going up very hard. So we have lost that trade, but let's take it at the highest stake, and that would be right now. Take it. So just had this chat about don't trade with news. We're just here trading. I hope you guys are all smart enough to quit trading already before I did, because yeah, this is what happens when news come up. This is what happens. Yeah. Oh my god, I hate this. I really hate this. god, it went down. Okay, we have to double up. 250. Oh my god, I got flashed. Okay guys, this is the worst trading webinar ever. I've already mentioned that. So tomorrow we'll analyze on how we're going to finish this, because this is not good. Come on, come on. Yeah, we won that trade. So we can't seem to get past this level. Guys, I'm just analyzing, so I'll be a little bit quiet. Just copy my movement, even if I don't put a trade up, just copy it if you're still trading, because I see 2 people left already. Just copy it. This is also a downtrend right now. So someone is asking me why I just don't go with the trend. Well, a good trader would do so, but I don't think I'm a good trader because I don't do that. The reason is that I really hate trends. That's actually why I just don't go with the trend. But if you believe that that's right, uh, the right trade, then just do it. Just go with that trade then. Just do it with the minimum money you have, and I have to make. So I think I'm going to go with this trade. Or not. Breaking support. Wow. It broke support. Basically, I think this is going to go down more. There's some good news coming up from the dollar, so I'm just going to go with this trade for now. And let's see what's going to happen. I think we're catching the trend right now, so I'm taking the advice. What's his name, guy? Peter. So I'm taking your advice. I'm going with the trend. And let's see what's going to happen. So if we win this trade, it's because of Peter. And if we lose it, it's because of me. Wow, mad props to you, Peter. It's going down as crazy. Mad props to you, but I will make another trade. very hard, and I think that it will recover. Oh, it's already recovering. US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's see. Should we go with this trend too? There's a trend starting right now. US dollar, Swiss franc. I think that I will not go with this trend. It's just too dangerous right now. But the New Zealand US dollar broke all the support it had. It's on the lowest point of the day right now. So that's well, I think it's going to recover. Just hold on. Yeah, it can't recover. It can't. It can't. Or can it? Whenever I say it can't, it does the opposite thing. So it already did the opposite thing. So if this trade is successful, this will be our last trade. So probably for people who are watching YouTube, you'll think like, what's going on, man? This guy's just losing trades. Yeah, we're having a bad day today, a very bad day. But thank God we're still in profit. And I'm not like these other people who plays photoshopped videos on YouTube. This is the real deal if you're in our group. So you can ask all my students. This is the first time this has happened in months that we had a very bad day like this. And I hope this is just one time, because this is not what we want. But, thank God we're still in profit, and that's actually the only thing that matters at the end of the day. If you're in profit, and not what your emotions had done or happened to them. So yeah, the market is a little bit stable. It's trying to recover from some hard spikes up and down, and basically you always win with trading. Just depending on your budget, you always win. And yeah, let's just see what's up. So by the way, one of our traders today made a $15,000 profit this day. So we should have actually filmed it, but well, this is private account, so he had a very profitable trade, which went down with like 200 pips or something like that, and that was a crazy trade. So that's just how fast it goes. You could buy a new car now from that money, just cash it out. So yeah, guys, I'm quite sorry, but there's nothing I can do right now. Bad markets. I'm waiting, by the way, for Apple to go up. I'm not even worried about that. Let's see. US dollar, Canadian dollar, maybe. Well, I hate trading these assets, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. They brought us some bad luck this evening session, and the later it gets, like it's 7 o'clock right now, the less movement there is on the market, so it's very hard to identify a trade. US dollar, Canadian dollar, prepare a trade, guys. Take it. And let's see what's going to happen with this trade. So please bear with us. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Like it goes down immediately with 10 pips, I hate that. Oh, God. This is. Oh, this is just not good to see. 130. So we have to cover up again. Cover up. think a trend just started. Or perhaps not. Let's just hope it didn't. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's win this trade. Let's just win this trade. Come on, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Give us this trade. Yeah, it's not giving us this trade. Take it. I have quite the feeling that this is more a how to martingale uh, episode instead of a live trading webinar, because all we do is martingale right now, and wow, I'm just sad about these results. I'm quite sad. So all we can do is hope that it goes up right now, because if it doesn't, we are in problems. Spiked up in the last second. What? 1456. Why? Oh, we're just at the same level we started because of my stupidity. So you guys are probably in profit. I am still at the same level. So I can't quit until I have 1500. My God, I just want to quit this session, to be honest, because this is a bad day. So the Australian dollar and the US dollar, the one who messed us up in the beginning, is actually started already an uptrend, and you can trade with this one. You don't have to, but let's see what it does. So I have a feeling if I go with it now, it will recover. That's actually the reason I don't want to go with it, because this one had brought us a lot of problems in the beginning, a lot of mad people, because it made us martingale level 5, which probably shouldn't be what you want to see. But I really want to tell you guys again that people who provide signals, they will probably laugh at this video and they say, no, we have like 80 or 90% success rate. Please, guys, don't trust it. If you have someone who's really good at analyzing the market, just ask them if you can pay them like $10 or $20, and just to see if they will accept that, because most traders and analysts, or trading groups as they call themselves, they just want you to sign up with their broker, take their affiliate money, and then leave. But if they really have good signals, they can give you like 1 or 2 days for free, and that is quite possible, you know. So let's see what is going on right now. So like I said, the Australian dollar, US dollar is not good. Thank God we didn't take it. And waiting for a trade. Waiting for a trade. So this is the way trading goes, you know. You just have to be so patient. Let's see. Guys. Should we try to trade with the NZD USD, the one that never lets me down? But I think that he will even let me down today. My favorite asset. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to take it, but let's see what is going to happen in the market. So after this, after I make 1500, I will end this session. I could have ended it already, but I'm just stupid and I should make the correct martingale. Oh, that's why we didn't get profit. The US dollar and Canadian dollar is 62%. Oh my god. So you see how much difference that 8% is. Damn, man, we could have like made around 30 euros extra, something like that. A little bit less than 30 euros. So we would have been close by the 1500s, just to know that. And we actually are already in profit if you not count the Apple trade, um, which we will win anyway. But I just want 1500 and the Apple trade on. So if something happens to the Apple trade, we're still in good profit, which I won't expect it to happen with the Apple trade. But then again, let's just see. So there are a couple of traders out there which I really respect, and there are some good traders. But I have to tell you that there are only 2 or 3 people that I know who are trading right now and that I really respect. And I can tell you guys that 90%, no, I will even say 99% of the trading groups or signal providers or live webinar providers are fake on the internet. So if you're doubting about someone, we have reviewed a lot of them, which we cannot post, but we can tell you what our review was. Don't be fooled, guys. Really don't be fooled. Like, the percentage they're giving out, it's so fake. Just ask them for 1 day free trial and even give them money for that day, and you will see for yourself that at the end of the day they will post other results which they have given that day, and they will post another success rate for that day. And I am pretty sure about that. I am pretty sure because I've seen it with approximately 10 trading groups, and nine of these trading groups have already disappeared from the internet. So don't be fooled, guys. Trading is something you can make money with, but don't have a bad start by wasting your money on the internet to some trading groups who promise you to do things they cannot. So let's see what is going on, because we still didn't have any trade. So let's see, GBP US dollar. It did not break any level right now, but there's a possibility it can recover because it hit support. Yeah, so that one is going to recover. And oh, guys, I just want one more trade. Just one more trade. That's all I want. One successful trade. US dollar and Swiss franc. I'm going to go with this trade, although I don't really think it's a good trade, but I think we have to do something. And like I thought, it's going down already. So I think I'll call myself Martin instead of Ben from now on. because I have used that strategy too many times in this live trading session. So I'll promise you better results for the rest of the week. Just bear with me, guys. 130. It's like I'm playing darts. 130. Let me check that out. It's 140 actually. 140, so take it right now. 140. So I have the correct numbers of my martingale right now. So from now on, we'll start making profit. I should have taken my calculator out earlier, then we could have ended this session. But you guys are still in the right profit if you made the right double up. So you guys are good, but just my account needs to be adjusted to 1500 with the Apple trade going on. And let's see, 91, 20 seconds left. So we're just 3 pips in the money. That is not really a good sight, but there's not so much movement. So we have 10 seconds left. Let's hope for the best. Oh, by the way, I have to prepare this trade, of course. Going up with 350, and I think we won it. Yeah, we won it. So are we on 250 right now? Oh, we're €2 below it. Yeah, we're €2 below the 1500. So what are we going to do? Are we going to call it a day, or are we going to finish trading until I have that 1500? So you guys would like more trades, of course. You know what? I'm going to stay here for 5 more minutes. If we have a potential trade, I will take it. If not, I will end this session at 35 because there's no much more movement in the market and it's just too dangerous to trade right now. By the way, I love this. I really love this. I love when it never goes out of the money. If it just stays green, it never went below the entry. So that's amazing. I love that. I see that the NZ New Zealand dollar and US dollar has a good possibility of going to recover quite soon. So let's, I'm gonna put a €24 trade. Why do I have to play? I'm already where I want to be, and almost then. Oh, it's already recovering. That's bad. Let's see what's going to happen anymore. US dollar, Swiss franc is back at it again with the low dip, but not good enough. Not good enough. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with a nice dip. So the US dollar Swiss franc is going up as crazy, down as crazy. So we're just going to prepare that trade for if it's going to break its support level. And if it does, then we are there to trade. But I think that it's in, let me just zoom out. Oh yeah, it's starting a trend down again after being very high for, well, it had its highest point. It was on its highest point and it's now making a trend back down. So damn, Daniel, back at it again with the trend down. Actually, we're 200 euro in profit right now. 207 if you don't calculate the Apple trade with it. So that's good. And all we have to do is get a good entry, make that money 1500, and end this session. And we are still waiting. We have 2 minutes left before I end the session. Oh, by the way, GBP US dollar, it went down very fast. Let's see if we can take that, guys. Be prepared to place this trade. Be prepared. If it dips a little bit more, I will take it because it's near its support level. It's going up, by the way. Oh man, how could I not have seen this? So it's just that's what happened when you have too many screens. That's just what happens. You don't pay attention to all the screens anymore, and yeah. By the way, the GBP Japanese Yen 24 up. Take it. Take it. Take it. This one has to go up. This one has to go up. I'm sorry, guys. I had to do it very fast because there was quite a possibility. But this one has to go up. Come on, help me finish this session with a success because our time is up. So we have to win this trade. It's going in 20 pips in the money almost. So it's running, it's going down again. Come on, it's hot. It has to go up to end the session with a good success, right? And oh my god, come on, what the hell is going on? So currently we're in the money, but you know, with 1 or 2 pips, I don't like to see that. So I'm going to, oh my god, it's out of the money. It's in the money again. It's almost out of the money. It's in the money. Last 1 second. Come on, take it, and we have it. We have it. We have it. We won. We won the market today. 1,515 euros. We made 265. Well, no, just let's calculate the Apple deal with it because Apple is going up very fast right now. Let's see. We have enough time for Apple to recover, but we have this. Well, we started this account. We started this live session, the 1250 session, like 2 days ago. We have 615 minus 1250, so we made 365 euros in 2 days, and we made today 224 euros. So you know that is approximately 15%, I think, of our total balance. Let's calculate that. Yeah, it's around 16%. So you've added 16% to our balance today. And if this trade is going to win as I'm expecting it to be, then we will have 70 more, so 300 euros. Well, that will be approximately like blah, 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 blah. Well, let's see. I will give you the correct percentages before I leave because that's what we do. Let's save and yes, we made 294 euro if we win the Apple trade, and before. So as you can see, it's going up. Apple, it's trying to recover. It's still a bit out of the money. But it will recover. It will recover. Let's just take a look what's going to happen before I end this session. So you see that it's quite going up and down, and okay, well, I'm sure we will win this trade. So let's say we have added 21% to our balance today. That's good. That's 300 euros. That's good. So guys, I will end this session. If you would like to join us at trading with us live, go to our website and apply for our 14-day free trial right over here. First name, last name, email, and phone. And if you already have a broker and you're happy with this broker, then we offer you 2 days of signals trial for 25 euros. The signals are quite okay, so we have estimated 70 till we even have some days we have 100% rating, but that is because when we have like 5 or 6 successful trades, we don't send out signals anymore for that day. So let's say that you can count on 70 to 80% success rate with our signals, and if something if there's something wrong that day, like we didn't get the 70%, we get lower, we'll give you an extra free day. So check that out. And that was our session for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It was a long session. We made up for yesterday. And yeah, thank you so much for your interest in us, and we hope to welcome you on our website. So goodbye and good evening.